Hi, it's Donna here. I've just made some things from some paper. I got this off a Facebook group. It's images that you can free download. And I didn't size them because I didn't know I had to at that time. This is a bee collection. And I will give you the link below of where you can get them from and join the group. You need to join the group, which is a brilliant group, by the way. So I didn't size these. So these have come out all giant. So I've got giant bees and giant flowers and things. But look how gorgeous the papers are. I mean, they are absolutely divine. You can see that I've been chopping things up here. So you see what I mean by the bee? That's my hand. See how big it is? I didn't resize it. But you know what? I have no issue with that because I'm still making a folder with it. So let me show you what I did. Okay, this is only what I've done so far. I haven't made the album or anything because I just felt like doing these first. So I made a little pocket here. A little envelope, and this design was from Treasured Books, I think that's Shiv's one, and just a couple little bits of paper to go in it, and that's a little flap. Okay, that's so easy to make. It's really easy. So I've got them there. Use some washi tape, little bit of lace there, and just cut out a circle and cut out a tag. So that's that one. Fussy cut the flower from this paper, just like this. But you can see how big it is. I did a little pocket with some tags in it. Again, using this. Fussy cut the bee. I did a 3 pocket thingy there. I haven't put anything on the back because I'm going to glue it in. So same as that one, I may put in a pocket, and that I don't know yet how I'm going to do it. But this one here, I know that I'll glue onto a page. So it'll be glued onto something like that. Not that busy, of course. And so that doesn't matter for me at the back. This here's got a little bit of paper, book paper, got a couple bits of them. Here, put a little paper clip there. Fussy cut, got some tags in there. Fussy cut the flower, some Tim Holtz words. So I liked it. I thought it was lovely. I did this one. Again, I think that was from Treasured Books, this design. And just fussy cut that. Did some zigzag of the papers or some sewing of the papers there. And these were the scraps left over from the pile. So that's a little bit of material that I just sewed. This is 1-inch circles that I just put a heap on and then put some glossy accents on. So that's that one. And that's the vellum. I really like this. I really like that. I did this with little booklet. That's again a hidden paper clip. Not so hidden, of course, but it is a paper clip. And again, I don't need anything on the back of that because it's black. So, and you open that up. Again, I will probably glue that onto the back of a page, and it's like that. And this little booklet, like that, little booklet fits in there. And I've just sewn that as a spine, just sewn that. And I didn't really want to put anything on that because I really like the paper. So I've left it. But that's that one. And the last one, I made one of these little books. I'd adhered the ribbon on to just tie it up there. I opened it up. I made a little booklet to put just some plain papers in it, because I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. Just a little pocket with some little tags. A little envelope. Again, that's a hidden paper clip there. Some more little tags, a little pocket made from lunch wrap there. And then just do that. So that's what I made with these papers. And I'm going to, I love these papers. I think they're so damn gorgeous. They're beautiful. What can you say? Gorgeous. Put the link down below for all these papers, and you can print them all out. I'll just show you some others that I've printed out. Again, not sizing. I should have sized, but I didn't. But look how pretty these are. The fairy. Look how beautiful they are. I'm thinking bookmarks here on that one. Love them designs. These are upside down, of course. Of course they would be. But look how pretty they are. Just gorgeous. This is one of my favourites. This one and the next one are my favourites that I've printed. Look how beautiful these are. Okay. Now these are free downloads. They're absolutely gorgeous. I've really got big plans for this paper. Again, I didn't resize it, but I'm going to do some extra resizing. But look just how beautiful is it. I mean, honest to God, it's just, her talent is absolutely divine. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I also downloaded this one. How gorgeous is that? Straight up, beautiful. In tones, look at the chickens. Don't you? I love chickens. I have chickens. I love chickens. Again, look how that autumn. Look at that. Just how gorgeous is it all? Just so beautiful. Absolutely so beautiful. So thank you very much for that. And I appreciate it. All links will be down below. So please join with the group. And when you make something, show it in the group and say thank you for our downloads. She would appreciate it greatly. Thanks for watching. Bye.